Hi guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng lagyanan ng kainan. Nabasag daw sabi ng lolo ko. It's break. Don't break my heart or icky heart. Charot lang. Taran! Oh. Oh no! Charot lang. It's no. No lolo. It's not. I'm doing vlogging lolo. It's 3 pieces of putting my food. Charot. Yes. It's $5, lolo. Nice, huh? It's not good. And then I have a guava. I'm gonna eat now, lolo, this guava. Do you want? That's it. Ito lang yung seedless guava. It's nice, lolo. It's good. Because you break the other one, right? The small like this.
The glass.
It's a glass.
One.
Huh? It's nice, lolo.
I can take a look on the side.
It's nice. NTUC, ah? NTUC?
No, Japan one.
Oh, Japan Home. It's $5 only.
No, they say buy this, that's why.
Oh, that's why I have. No, it looks like you buy. It looks like you buy also this one. The same. It's a freebies
Discount.
Okay. It's good, Lolo. It's $5 only. Yes, that's it. And guava. I'm gonna eat guava. Yeah, it's nice. It's seedless. I'm hungry. Want to eat guava now? When you see you smile, I'm gonna check everything. Sit, hey. I put this one in the kitchen, and then I'm going to drink my coconut, organic coconut. Why organic coconut, lolo? There's no organic coconut. Sometimes I'm talking nonsense. Right, lolo? So bye guys and God bless.